Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bud Rank Elementary School in Clovis, California, part of the Clovis Unified School District. It's my first time coming to visit the students and staff here. An excellent, amazing morning. Two presentations, and the focus was on what you see on the screen behind me. Bullying, look at the heart first. See people the same way that you see your best friend. And the kids were all in, all heart, very engaged, really receptive to the message. And they wanted to, you could tell, that they want to show kindness. And they really want to, give more back to this world. They had a little girl come up to me after and said, Mr. Peace, is it okay if I do something special for someone, like starting today? I said, yeah, that'd be awesome. Every day, right? Just one act of kindness starts to change this world, heal this world. We talk about a big reason why bullying happens is that hurt people, right? Which is a choice, that if somebody hurts my feelings, the easy thing to do is to go hurt someone else's. The hard thing to do is to forgive, but that's the right thing to do. So I guess it's true, hurt people, but it's also true that healed people heal people. And if we can let that love fully enter our heart, as big as our fist, right? Then we can turn this, if we let that love, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. One finger for ourselves, the other for someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love, but also two, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one breath, one heartbeat, one tweet, one text, one DM, virtual or in person, we can say something so kind or do something so kind, it stays on someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life, or conversely, we can say something, do something so mean, it stays on their heart in a very negative, destructive way forever. And so to know that that impact that we have could just be 2 seconds to uplift or destroy, we know that we need to be all in for this planet, right? Past any pain that we have, so we can notice those around us that need that help, that support, to be their voice, to stand up for what's right, have the courage to do that. It's not easy to risk getting bullied yourself or judged yourself or embarrassed yourself to include someone that otherwise would not be included, but it's beautiful, right? To be able to see someone for their heart before anything else, but also for this too. If you look at our palms, right? All of us with the lines on our hands, we have at least one in each hand. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but all of us with the lines on our hand, we have the letter M. Like it says on my shirt, this M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? We have to buy into that. Not only see people for their hearts before anything, but this too. And once we do, know that we can be the light to someone else's heart, we go out and we start to change this world. We go and be that change. So thank you again for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Never forget that. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, they'll have a great rest of the school year. And feel free to also hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.